Hi guys, Steph here. Now, I'm still getting messages from people saying, Steph, how do I buy your pens? As I've explained before, nice and simple. If you see anything on the videos that you're interested in, down below, get in touch. Dead simples. To give you an idea, I recently reviewed this gorgeous pen here, a Waterman Ideal number 5. One of my viewers, customers, was very quick on the ball. As soon as I did a review, he emailed me, made an inquiry, asked me, well, we passed a few emails back and forth, and he's now the lucky owner of this gorgeous, gorgeous pen. Now, at the same time, he actually asked me if a Esterbrook, a bronze one that I recently reviewed, was available. Unfortunately, it wasn't. But as it happens, I looked through my stock and I found another one. So we pop that to one side, and this is the one that I actually found. Now, this one is from, yeah, another pen haul in the past. So basically, as this gentleman has done, if you don't see it, ask. If you don't ask, you don't know, because I may just have it in stock somewhere. There again, I may not. So, well, it's dead easy. If you don't ask, you don't get. So, he saw this pen, or I found it. You can see it comes in the box. It's got the, if I can get it out, it's got the original Esterbrook instructions, which is very nice indeed. And as I said, I found this Esterbrook J in this gorgeous blue pearl. It obviously wasn't as nice as this. It was quite tired at the time. But what I've done, as with all pens, as inquiries, he reserved the pen subject to restoration. And as you can see now, it's all ready to go. There's the barrel imprint, Esterbrook, as you can see there. If we unscrew it for you, there we go. It's got a lovely stainless steel nib. And the nice thing about these nibs, for you people that know or don't know, is they simply unscrew and you can replace it with a nib of your choice. But as I say, he made an inquiry. I had this one. I showed it to him as it was before. He said, yes, I'd like to reserve that. We've restored it. We've cleaned everything internally. We've put a brand new sack in it. And that is also now ready to go to the customer. Okay, so that was an Esterbrook. Now, the day after that, I did another review. I did a pen haul review, and the gentleman was back to me with an email and said to me, Stefan, is the Parker Sonnet available in the box? And he meant this one. Now, it comes, as you saw in the previous video, in a Waterford box, but what we've got is a very nice Parker Sonnet. And if we just show you the imprint there, you can see the imprint to the cap on this one. This is an earlier version. Okay, never been inked. As you can see, in stainless steel, beautiful condition. Comes, as you can see there, with a converter. I'm not sure if this is the well, I don't think it's actually the original box, but either way, it helps to keep the pen nice and safe. So he asked me about this particular pen. It was available at the time. I said yes. Again, a couple of emails back and forth. He said, yes, I'd like to have that. So he ordered this pen as well. And at the same time, he said to me, Stefan, on the pen haul video, I see you've got a couple of nice Conway Stewarts. Are any of them available? I said, yes, they were. Again, back and forth, a couple of emails, and he reserved this gorgeous pen. Now, this is the Conway Stewart 75. Obviously, it wasn't as nice as this. It was a little bit on the tired side. But once again, he said, yes, I'd like to reserve that pen subject to restoration. And as you can see, we've now restored it, cleaned everything, put a new sack in the pen. If I can show you the barrel imprint. Okay, hopefully you can see it there. Conway Stewart, number 27, made in England. It's a lever filled pen. The trim on it is nickel, as you can see, with a nickel clip there as well. And if we take the cap off, you can see it comes with a lovely Conway Stewart 14 karat gold nib as well. So there you have it. What a gorgeous pen it is now. So, as people have said to me, mail me and they say, how can I buy your pens? Hopefully that'll explain. Just simply down below, get in touch. If you don't see anything, ask. If I have it, I do. If I don't, I don't. But if you don't ask, you don't know. So there we have it. We've got a lovely Conway Stewart 27. Gorgeous blue pearl Esterbrook, a lovely Parker Sonnet in stainless steel, and last but not least, he also ordered this very handsome Waterman Ideal number 5. So these 4 pens will be shipped to the customer tomorrow, hopefully. Well, I say hopefully, yes they will. So hopefully you like what you see, Mark. These pens will be coming to you tomorrow. As you can see, they're all now restored, ready to go, in absolutely gorgeous condition. So for you people that again say to me, Steph, how do I buy one of your pens? Nice and simple. Just do as Mark has done and simply email me and ask. Or if you see something, ask if it's available and I'll tell you. So, I hope that answers that question. So, 1, 2, 3, 4 gorgeous pens will now be leaving for a new home. So, I'll just say for now, Slavo Ukraini, and from me and these gorgeous pens, I'll just say bye-bye for now.